So now we will talk about definitions of sociology. So they have given you over here around the two definitions, so you have to do both. Okay. Kimball Young has mentioned that sociology studies human behavior in group. Now remember one thing, okay, psychology will study one person's behavior, but sociology is not concerned with just the study of one person, okay, or one individual. Why? Because we are studying society, and how is society formed? With the group of people, right? The group of people make family, that family makes a society, right? So sociology studies human behavior in a group. Now, the next definition that is there is by H.M. Johnson has mentioned sociology studies social groups, their internal form or types of institution, processes which maintain them or causes change in them, and relations between the group. Now it says it studies social group. Okay, it studies groups of in the society. Okay, that is why it's called social group. So sociology studies social groups, okay, or you can say it studies groups in the society. They are internal forms, okay, internal forms meaning what type of group that is, what kind of group that is, okay. It types of institutions. Now what are institution? Government is an institution, school is an institution, okay, your college is an institution, your family is an institution, marriage is an institution. In sociology all these different things are called as institutions. So sociology studies the groups, it studies what form of group that is, it studies its institution, like what kind of institute it is, whether you are studying a family, whether you are studying marriage, whether you are studying government, or whether you are studying politics, or whether you are studying religion. All these things are included in your institutions, okay. Process which maintain them or causes change in them. So obviously it talks about various processes that happens in these institutions and what sort of changes are happening in these institutions. For example, let us take marriage as an institution. Earlier only arranged marriages were done, right? But nowadays that thing in marriage has changed. Now you have people doing love marriage also. There are people who are doing arranged marriage also. There's also a concept of love come arranged marriage also. If you take family, now family of that institution has also changed. In the past, family was only was of joint family, but now we also have nuclear family, okay, wherein only parents and children are staying, okay. So changes keep happening in these institutions, okay. And relations between the group. Now obviously there is a relations which is there between the group. Let us say that I belong to, let's talk about the institution of religion. Now I belong to a Hindu community. So it's obvious that I will have some sort of relations with the people who are there in the temple, right? With me, my relation with the priest would be what? Saying namaste, doing this, whatever. I will have some sort of relations within the group. If you take the institution of family, obviously I have some sort of relations with my mother, with my brother, with my father, or with whoever is there in the family. So they also talk about various relations that are there within the family. So this was the definition that was given by H.M. Johnson. Defining sociology, Vidyut Joshi has written in Terminological Dictionary. Terminological Dictionary એટલે various terms ના જે meaning હોય એમાં વિદ્યુત જોશીએ લખ્યું છે that sociology is a scientific study of human social behavior. It's not, see, why are they saying scientific study of human social behavior? That is, I can't randomly go somewhere and say, okay, I studied sociology, मैं आ discovery करी. No, there are step by step things in order to study society, okay. There is step by step ways through which you study society that is around you, okay. You and I just simply, we cannot say, okay, my society is like this, my society is like that, Indian society is like this, Indian society is like that. No, you need proper proof in it, okay. Now as you all know, in science, okay, when you are doing an experiment, right, there is an aim, objective, method, steps, then you will decide, okay, it's proved right, it is proved wrong. Okay, same thing is there in the society. You have your aims, you have your objectives, why you want to study Indian society, what group are you studying in the Indian society, which states are you going to study in Indian society, how did you study Indian society, what steps did you follow, and after that only you can study society. That is why it is a scientific study of human being and their behavior in the society that is around them. How I behave in the society, how I react in the society. Okay, it's everybody's group's reaction in the society, right? Like recently, Sushant Singh Rajput committed suicide, right? Now, not only one person said ki it is wrong, he was in depression, whatever. Everybody, so many people all over the Indian cinema, so many people, general people, so many of his fans, so many people in India spoke against suicide. They spoke about depression, which earlier was not spoken about in India. Nobody spoke about depression. But this was a change that happened, right? Ki bhai, people started talking about depression, people started talking about suicide, people started talking about Karan Johar and all those things, right? So it was a change that happened, but it was not just one person doing the change. It was the group of people talking about change, right? All of us came together and spoke about that change. So it's not just one person's reaction to things. It is the reaction of the group of people, not just 10-20 people, crore and lakhs of people together talking about change, speaking about change, bringing about change. Okay, so that is what is sociology. Okay. It studies processes of individual and collective interactions. So it talks about the processes that happen in an individual, and it also talks about the interactions which an individual એટલે one person has towards other people. Okay, and collective interactions એટલે વાતચીત કરવી. That's how you form a relations, right? How did you become friends with someone? By talking to them, right? So it talks about collective interactions also. Collective એટલે big type of interaction. It talks about the forms and the types of social groups or organization. So sociology also talks about various organization or institutions. That is, it talks about religion, family, it talks about marriage, it talks about suicide, it talks about rape, it talks about lot of different things. Okay, and effects of collective behavior on mutual relation and individual behavior. So now they are saying that as a group, okay, whatever behavior happens, whatever reaction happens, how you react to things, how you talk about change, all these things are included in in sociology. Okay, and it talks about relations. Now obviously the way you behave is because how your parents have brought you up. So how as a group your behavior is influenced. So your behavior, the way you behave, whether you are respectful towards someone or whether you're disrespectful towards someone, solely depends on how your family has brought you up and what kind of friends you have. Okay, if you have friends who disrespect teachers, who disrespect other people, then automatically you will also have that behavior in you. So collective people, okay, playing a major role in how your behavior is affecting how there is a change in your behavior or that the change in one person's behavior.